Hello everyone, my name is Felice from the Real Bitcoin Club, and I would like to show you how to pledge to a Flipstarter campaign within a few seconds. So you see a Flipstarter campaign here. It's from Chris Troutner. He wants to improve by offering a CoinJoin app for JavaScript, which is very important because JavaScript is much more common than the Python, in which the existing cache fusion is written. Okay, so I touch the link here, boop, and I say, let's say open new tab in new group, okay, and it opens the Flipstarter campaign. I read the text and I decide, this guy is so amazing, I will do what I can. I'm in Venezuela and my funds aren't so much, so that's what I can do. I can at least send some love to him, and it's not too much, but it's coming from my heart. Love your work. Thanks. Okay. And then there is an address. I touch the address and everything is auto-magically ching. How easy is that? Okay? Now tell me. I do not want a refund. Okay? I disable the auto refund. This dollar is gone. It's with him. Whatever happens to the Flipstarter campaign, he will get the dollar. Okay? Thank you for watching, and let's practice how to use Flipstarter. Okay, it's important that the community understands that we have so much power with Flipstarter. I mean, we have seen the stuff in Canada where they took down the GoFundMe campaigns and stuff like that. They confiscated the money from their crowdfunding campaigns, and all of this can be solved by Flipstarter. Flipstarter is such an amazing tool, and it has been developed and optimized for many years, and it is still being optimized right now. So it will be even better in the future. Okay, BCH rocks. We have the best community, and we just have to learn how to use all the stuff that has been built so far. And of course, the developers that have been working on open source code, like Chris Troutner, they need funding so they can continue working on these projects. Okay, a software developer usually earns a high salary, and he's just asking for the bare minimum to make a living. And I think, well, I personally I love that, and I pledge to his campaign. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Peace.